Alright, the banners component allows you to place banners on your website, kind of like an affiliate marketing program. Now I will say this, if you're looking for a robust affiliate marketing program, the banners component probably isn't enough. But if you're just looking for banners that give you impressions, click-throughs, and the ability to limit them by number or date, then the banners component will probably be enough for you. Let's take a look, starting with clients. We can keep a listing of clients that have banners on our website. We just give it a client name, contact name, email, whether they're published or not, what kind of type they are, and again, we have some global settings that we can look at in just a moment, whether they're unlimited, yearly, monthly, weekly, or daily. Do we track the impressions? Do we track the clicks? What keywords do we want our banner to be responding to? What keywords do we want our banners to include? And any additional information we might want to keep on this client. Under categories then, each banner needs to go into a category. So here we have a couple of sample categories. The sample banners, no parent, published, public, all languages, and any descriptive text here. Who it was created by and the basic options. Do we use the global layout? Or if we have any alternates available, any images for this category, and any notes that we want to use. Finally, when we're ready, we put our banners into categories for our clients. So the Shop 1 banner here, which is part of the sample data that we installed, just give it a name. Joomla takes care of the alias. We select a category, whether it's published or not, what kind is it, whether it's an image or custom text. We're using an image at this point. We can define the width and the height or allow the image itself to do that. Alt text, which is absolutely incredibly important. The URL that we want people to click through to, and any description. When it was created, when it starts publishing, and when it's finished publishing. So you can set up banners that start and stop on any particular date, and you don't have to worry about going in at that point, just like an article. Is it sticky? In other words, does it stay at the top, even though other banners may rotate through? How many impressions do we want to allow this? If it's unlimited, then it will always be there. After 1,000 impressions, if you put 1,000 in here, the banner would no longer show up. How many impressions have been made so far? How many click-throughs? And who the client is. What have they purchased? And we can leave that at the default. We want to track impressions and track clicks. We say yes and yes. Click Save and Close. So now we have a Shop 1 banner. It's published. It's not sticky. And so far it's been seen 17 times with one click-through. And they are on the default monthly plan. Under Client Options here, what's the default purchase type? By default, we track impressions and we track clicks. Under Permissions, again, this is part of the ACL structure. I'd encourage you to watch that video. Click Save and Close, and now we're set. The only problem is, most of these components need a module in order for it to be placed on a page. So let's head over to our Module Manager. I happen to have already set up a Banners component in position 9 on all pages. And to do that, it's pretty simple. Again, give it a title. We'll hide the title because we don't want the word banner showing up on our home page. What position are we using it in? And again, that's going to depend on your template. Is it published? Is it public? What's the publishing date, the start date? What's the start date and finish date? And then what pages does it appear on? You can have banners appearing on all pages, any pages. And one of the great new features about Joomla, only the pages I select or on all the pages except the ones I've selected, which is a wonderful feature. Do I want the banner to open up in a new window? And how many clicks do I want it to count? Who's the client? What category? And do I want to have it sticky, randomize, or sticky in order? Click Save and Close. Come back over to my home page, hit refresh, and now I have the Joomla banner at the bottom here of my website. Not particularly well placed, but hey, it's there. When I click on it,